When you hear the word Nydiesels, I want you to think of another word, quality. Those two words complement each other. Quality, New York Diesels, New York Diesels, quality. This is Paisley. Now this paint looked good. It really did. But it was cracking terribly, and Anthony knew that if he didn't strip it down to bare metal, eventually it would lift if we tried painting over it. Now, like I said, it could have looked perfect, but Anthony knows better. So, stripped her down to bare metal, make sure she's good to go, so that when he puts his new primer on it and his new paint and everything, he'll prep this thing like it's from new, and the paint will last for years and years and years. And that's really how you get a great job. So if you want a great job, you come to NewYorkDiesels.com, because that's what you're going to get is quality. 607-423-7729, John at NYDiesels.com. If you need your truck restored, call us today. Thank you.